Hey guys, Fire88 here with another fan video, and what we got here today is this 42-inch Nutone Decorator. Picked this up from Habitat a few weeks ago. It was the only one they had in there. There wasn't any others just like this, but picked this up. This thing's not in bad shape at all by any means. It's pretty clean. But, you know, your average late 90s builder fan. It is from sometime in 1997. September of 1997. Okay. But there's your tag. But yeah, you know, very your old classic 5-blade GE vent fan. Anyway, let's see how this thing performs. This is another fan that I have brought in here to have the down rod shortened, except I didn't have to cut it or anything. I just was able to find a shorter white one for this. So yeah. Anyway, here's low on this fan. This thing performs like your average builder fan would, pretty much. You know, the only reason I picked this thing up is because in Quincy Market, which is in Boston, Massachusetts, there is 2 of these installed behind this restaurant, like in the kitchen area. There's 2 of them installed on a long down rod. The blades are droopy as can be. And they used to work a long time ago, but I have not, every time I'm down there, I have not seen them on. But the blades on those things are super saggy. I'm pretty sure there's a video of them somewhere. But yeah, that's the reason I picked this up, because I always saw those 2 back there and I always thought they were interesting. Seeing them like that. It had a 2-foot down rod before. So yeah, anyway, here's medium speed. But yeah, those 2 other Nutones are located in the food court behind a restaurant, and they're like, you know, they're like stock room fans or something that they had installed back in the day, but I have not seen them in use at all, and plus the blades are super droopy on them. Last time I checked them. But yeah, I saw this one and I figured I'd take the opportunity to get it, so yeah. Medium speed's quite average, a little quick, but it's to be expected with a 42-inch builder. Anyway, here's high. Not much of a difference, I don't think, between medium and high, but here we go. I'm not sure if the cap is going bad or if I'm just seeing things. Nah, I think the cap's fine. It just gradually gets up to speed. Slowly but surely. This thing's very quiet, I must say. Like, super quiet. I'm not hearing any bearing noise. I'm not hearing any motor noise. The only noise I can hear right now is my deep freezer running right now down here. This thing does not make a sound. This thing is so quiet. I'm really impressed. Wow. No, I don't hear nothing from this. All I hear is just the wind noise. Okay, that astonishes me, huh? But yeah, runs good. Runs very good. Anyway, let's take it to spin down. I don't think these are bad little fans, you know, they're just little basic builder fans pretty much, but old Nutone builder fans. I always have liked how these look, the little 42-inch with the GE vents. Plus the switch housing is like, I don't know how to say it, like not too big, not too small, like it's just perfect. Like just how this thing looks, I think just makes sense. If you guys get what I'm saying, putting down. Yeah, really not a bad fan. On high, I could feel a little bit of air being moved over to where I'm at. So it's not a bad performer by any means. You know, just a late 90s builder fan pretty much is what it is. But yeah. Must say this thing's got some good bearings. It was dead silent when it was running and got a long spin down. Or a good spin down, I should say. I will say this though before the video ends here. 52-inch decorators, Nutone decorators, 52-inch ones, they always come into Habitat. I'm not sure why, but I'm always seeing decorators come into Habitat, but it's once in a blue moon I'll have a 42-inch one like this one show up. But most of the time I'm getting 52-inch ones and I think they're pretty common, but a 42-inch decorator I think is pretty uncommon. But yeah. Anyway, the fan has stopped, as you guys can see. I will end the video here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.